Hi guys, today I'll be changing the RAM for this little nice PC. It's an HP PC that I have right here with me. So I'll be changing the RAM. I already took out the screws, as you can see here, from the back. So all that's left now is for me to open it. That was the last one left. The CD-ROM drive, taking it out and putting it aside, then need to flip it over. So that I can get the back off. So most pieces now they come with a few clips holding the back together. You have to do that carefully. So once I'm done with all the clips, the back will be able to go out freely and I can change. Done. So as you can see right here, this is what I want to remove and replace. These ones are 8 gigs. I want to replace with 16 gigs because I want to upgrade the memory to 32 gig. So now I currently have 16. So all I have to do here is they are being held by some clips. You just need to pop it by the side and it kicks out. So take it out. Do the same for the other side. So I'm done with that and bring what I want to replace it. So this is a replacement. This is 16, that will make it 32. So just snap it in the same way I took the other ones out. That's the same way I put it back in. So I snap it in and I press it out. Same for this one. As you can see, bring it really close. They have a certain key there, which is like what directs you to keep the RAM without any errors. So push that in and snap it down. So this is the RAM upgrade. I've upgraded this from 16 to 32. All I need now is to close back the laptop and power it on. Just place back the case. Yeah, those are the clips. I'm clipping them back. So in just 5 to 10 minutes, I'm done with the RAM upgrade. So if it doesn't come on, it means the RAMs are not good with the machine, but if it turns on, it means everything works well. I will do that before I put this one back in and put the screws back together. So that's just a simple RAM upgrade. Power it on. Let's see the magic we have performed. So the blinking of the screen shows that it's a sign of success. That's our HP booting up. Oh, I see this feeling like this, so that I can use my right hand. So upgrading your RAM is not a difficult process, it's just as easy as what I've just done. You just need to get the right type of RAMs that can fit onto your machine, and upgrading the RAMs gives the PC fast speed in like what it can carry, it can hold for the moment when you are processing maybe a particular application. Wait while it boots up to the screen. So after changing the RAM, if you don't see your screen booting like this, it means those RAMs have a problem, because with any RAM failure, you won't be able to see any image on the screen. What you're able to hear, maybe just some beep codes, and those codes you need to know how to decode them to know what the problem is. So at this moment, everything is good, everything is okay. The RAMs shows that they are working perfectly. That is why the machine is able to display on the screen. So I have a signal there. I just need to log in. Boom, our PC is on. So I'm putting in my passcode to get it on screen. Everything is working. I need to go check the properties of the PC to see. Anyway, this is a screen touch, so without avoid using this, I can still go on the screen and do all that, but let me take my time and do this. So I'll right click on the computer and go to properties. From there I'll be able to get the various properties of the machine, the processing, the speed of the processor, the RAM capacity, and a whole lot more about the PC. think the writing should be very small, so as you can see right here, you see this is the system memory installed right here. See, it shows 32 gigabyte installed. From 16 we have upgraded it to 32 gigs and everything works perfectly. So this is just a simple memory upgrade for your PC, and that is all it takes, and your computer is up to another level. Thank you for watching.